How are you all? Hope all are fine. Yes, today is Thursday. Yes, no? Which day is today? Thursday, and the date is 10. Yes, no, children? Okay. As I told you, you have to start with your daily routine. What are you have to do? Yes. Comb your hairs. Be clean and tidy. Very good. And you should do all these works alone. Yes, you should not give much trouble to Mama. Okay, children? Yes. Today, with that, you try to eat the food within the plate. Okay, don't spill it outside. Okay, children, this is an extra activity. You should eat the food inside the plate. No, you should eat it properly and cleanly. You should not spill the food outside. Right? Okay. One day before yesterday, I told you no about yoga. It's like a exercise. What is the use of yoga? How you will do the yoga? Yes, it is a kind of exercise which makes us strong and active. Yes, no? Because in yoga we stretches our body parts, necks, shoulders, elbows, wrist, and our waist. All the body will get exercise in the yoga. This makes you very active all the day. Yes, when you have to do the yoga? After eating, tummy full? No. Before sleeping? No. When you have to do the yoga? Early in the morning. Once you get up, children, first you have to thank for the God and pray the God. The day should be good for you. And then what you do? Brush your teeth, wash your face, then have a light milk, and then you can do the yoga. Correct, no, children? You should not do on the bed and all. You should do the yoga on the mat. Because when you stretch your legs and hands, it will be very healthy for you. Correct, no? Yes. Okay. If you don't know the yoga poses and all, what you have to do? Just go to YouTube, type a small yoga exercise for kids. You can type your age also. Small exercise will be there, like yoga, like poses, butterfly poses, frog poses, turtle poses, cow poses. That and all you can do. Small running also is like a yoga only, no problem. Okay, every day you have to do, children. This is very good habit. In all over life, it is very good habit to you. Yes? You all do know? Okay. Shall we start our online class today? Today, first we will start with our language. It's a English. Yes? Yesterday what we learned? Lower case, small letter. Yes, it is a alphabets of, yesterday we learned alphabets, lower case, small letter. Day before yesterday we learned big letter or upper case of the alphabets and few phonic sound also, right? I think you all know the phonic sound in the LKG and in nursery also you learned, no? So I didn't taught you. Okay? You all know the phonics sound. Today again we will revise our small letter. Okay? Yes. Let's say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Can you see this one? It's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. These are our small letter. Yes, no? The difference is in the big letter we will use 4 lines. But in the small letter usually we will write in the middle line. That is blue to blue. Children, while writing, keep in mind you have to touch the line. Means if it is blue to blue, you have to write within that line only. If it is red to red, you have to touch from red to red line. Okay? This is the rule of the 4 lines. Okay, children? You all got now? Yes? This is the small letter alphabets. Okay? Today we will do an activity. Okay? This is small letter cubes or letter cube box. Okay? What I do now, randomly I'll pick some letter and show to you. You have to tell me that is which letter. You all know the small letters, no? So you can tell me which letter is that. Okay? Can you see this one? This is, yes, this is letter A. Can you see this one? Yes, this is letter T. Okay? Can you see this? Yes, this is letter H. Like this, you can randomly pick the letters and you can recognize the letter. How you will do it home? This one. Take a sheet of paper, tear it into small pieces and write the letters inside that. And just you shuffle that paper and you ask your mama to pick one paper. Okay? When she pick and opens that paper, you have to recognize that letter. It's a fun activity, right? Okay. You all do know? Yes. The homework for today's homework is in the 4-line book. What you have to do? The same thing as you wrote yesterday. In the 4 lines book, you have to write small letter A to Z 2 times. Write today's date, Thursday, that is the homework for the language. Okay, children? Once we will meet in greet, no, that time you have to show me all your homeworks. Okay? Bye. Okay? Now, shall we start our maths class? Okay, children? In maths, yesterday what we learned? Prepositions. Prepositions. What is that? The position of the object. Yes, no? Yes. What are those positions? Have we learned yesterday? Shall we make a revise? Yes. Inside, outside, then between, above, below, behind, then what? In front of. Yes? Inside, outside, between, above, below, behind, in front of. Today we will take one example of tree and sun. Shall we take the example of tree and sun? Okay. Now tree is in its position. Okay. Yes. This is position. Now we have to take the sun as an example. Okay. Sun. Where is the sun? Inside the tree. Okay. It is inside the tree. Yes? Yes. Outside. The sun should be outside, anywhere. Anywhere, outside. Outside the tree. Okay? Between. If there are two trees, the sun will be in the middle. The sun will be in the middle. And above. Above means if tree is there, the sun should be above. Yes, no? The sun is above the tree. Below. Below means okay, below the tree. Behind. Behind. It will be behind. Behind the tree. This is the sun. Behind the tree. In front of. In front of tree. Yes, children, can you see? These are the prepositions. We can't see the sun, only we will see the sunshine when it is inside the tree. Just for your reference, I will written inside. Okay. Outside. Outside in the sense the sun is outside the tree. Okay. Then between. Between means when the two trees are there, the sun is between two trees. Okay. This is the position of the sun. Above. What I am telling? All these positions are of sun. The tree is in the same position. Above. Above means when the sun is there, the above the sun is there. For the tree, the sun is above the tree. Below. The sun is below the tree. When the sun will come below the tree? Yes, when there is a sunset. You will see, no? The sun will come from up to down, down, down. That is when sunset. You can see the below the tree. Behind. The sun will come behind the tree. That time also you can't see the sun. Only you can see the sunshine. In front of you can see, no? In front of the tree we can see the sun. Yes. Like that. In front of, in a sense, if you are watching the recorded video, the camera will be in front of you. That is called in front of preposition. Like sun is in front of the tree. Okay. These are all called prepositions. Okay. Inside, outside, between, above, below, behind, in front of. Okay. These are all prepositions. What I taught you, that I'll show you with one example. Okay. This is one box. Okay. I'll take one example of this with the ball. Okay. Ball. I'll show an example. Box and ball. Okay. Now we will keep box as a position. This is the position. It will not go anywhere. It will be here only in the same place. It is fixed. I'll change the position of the ball. Okay. This will be in the standing position and I'll change the place of the ball. This is place. This is the position. Okay. Can you see? Yes or not? Okay. First one is inside. Can you see the box? Here the ball, I put it inside. Where is the ball now? Can you see the ball? It is inside the box. Yes, it is inside the box. Next one is outside. Can you see the ball here? If I take from out, it is outside the box. Yes, it is right. Outside the box. Between. If I keep the ball in between, see, it is in between. The box and the ball is between the box and the cap. Can you see, children? Yes. The next one is above. See, the ball is above the box. Can you see? This is above and this is below. This is above, this is below. Here I am not changing the position of the box, only I am changing the place of the ball. Okay? Then behind. I am keeping the ball behind. Can you see the ball here? No, you can't see the ball because it is behind. Last one is in front of. In front of the box, what is that? In front of the box, the ball is there. So you can see the ball. It is in front of the box. Yes, children. This you can try at home also. These are all the positions. Okay? Yes, you will try now at home. Yes, very good. See, there is some homework. Yes, now we will go to homework part. See, children, in the maths workbook is there, no, for you. Maths workbook. that is there, no? In that first sheet, I don't have that homework, so I am showing in the mobile. Okay? Can you see this one? This you need to complete. Okay? What is that? Math shapes. Worksheet first. It is a math shapes. Directions. Look at each picture below. What shape do you see? Okay, that you have to check it off and write the shape word under each bird, each picture. Only the word you have to write. If it is circle, you have to write the C. If it is square, you have to write yes. If it is rectangle, you have to write R. If it is triangle, you have to write T. Like that you have to complete the worksheet. Okay children, the first worksheet you have to write the shapes first letter. That's it. Once again I am showing you this worksheet. Okay, this is the one homework today. The second one is same maths workbook. You have no in that the second page. Okay, this is also the same thing. Above, below and beside is there. Second shape. Okay. In that what you have to read? Using a word form, the box. Describe whether the ball is located in related to the object in the picture. Okay. What you have to do? Above. Above means that triangle is there. No, it is above. Where it is? Above the what? Above diamond shape. Like that you have to write. That picture you have to write. Okay children. The second one is this worksheet. In that, if it is a triangle, I am explaining the one thing. Above triangle, what is there? Square. That you have to draw there. The second one. For your reference, another one sheet is there. Okay. Just everyone go through this at home. Okay. Then you come to know the preposition. The last another one homework is there for you. That is art and craft book. Okay, you all have this art and craft book, right? In that page number, okay, it's a second page under the C. It is the second page under the C. You need to color the picture with crayons. Okay, any color you have to do. Today I have given you maths homework and English